Can you see? Come. Dafna. This is my friend.
Hi.
Your name?
Ahmad, how are
Maha.
you?
I'm fine.
All friends? How
Yeah,
are
this
you?
Doha.
Doha
Doha
capital?
city. Capital Qatar.
Qatar.
Yes. You see?
Is the building name?
Al Fardan.
Al Fardan. How are you, brother?
Fine. You?
Fine. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. India from?
From Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Yeah. How many years you are working in Qatar?
I'm 11 years.
11 years. This place name, brother?
My name is Muhammad Azad Hasmi.
Yeah. Place name?
This Dafna.
Dafna.
Doha. Capital.
Capital.
Doha.
Yeah. Wallah.
Come.
Yeah. Okay.
This area capital.
Capital.
Qatar. Qatar.
Qatar.
Yeah. Bike.
Hi.
Bike racer.
Bike race?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wallah.
This area.
Area?
City center.
City center.
City center. Education center.
Education.
This note. Cornish.
Cornish.
Vedam Hotel. You see? Vedam.
Wait.
Vedam Salam Mall.
Salam all.
Yes.
Okay.